How to redeem codes on Monopoly Go. Now, this tutorial is very straightforward and easy to do. So before you go into directly on entering the code, make sure that you have the code on hand, or it is usually be located on the physical box of the Monopoly Go game if you purchase the physical game itself. So for you to be able to do this, you'll have to go to monopolygo.com's official site, and the process from your mobile phone will be actually the same. But if you logged into the game, you wouldn't be able to see that option to enter a code. Now just head directly to monopolygo.com, and once you're on their official site, as you can see, there are four options located on my left portion, which is going to be home, news, reward codes, and FAQs. Now just head directly to reward codes, and this is going to be the field for you to be able to enter your code. So as you can see, if you click on enter code bar right here, you will be given out to log into the account that you're using from your phone. So just simply logged into your account and you should be able to enter the code without any problems. And that's it. That's how you redeem promo codes in Monopoly Go.